guys, check out this new printing project we did recently for a client. So this is a 2-color design, and we're gonna do the first color, which is bright red. As you can see, our shirts are already laid out on the platen, and here we're just trying to print the first coat of the red ink. So we're gonna do 2 coats of the red ink. It's just that I forgot to record the second coating. So next part is we're gonna do the one and only coat of the black ink. Okay, so this is our black ink, and after this part I'll show you why we're only going to use, or we're going to put, 1 coating of this particular part of the design. So we're just printing the second color of this design, and in a few seconds you'll see what it looks like, and hopefully you'll figure out why we only use 1 coat. If you are not able to figure it out, I want you to pay close attention to the black ink, or the black color in this design. As you can see, the details are quite small. If you put multiple coatings of this particular color, you will lose the details of the design. So you have to be very careful in printing it. Otherwise, you will lose the details, and that will be a reject. So that's it for our printing project for today. Please stay tuned for more, only here at T-Print.